Have you known any book that you do not read, but you watch it? A book that is not a monologue, rather it is interactive. A book that is not stuck in its edition, rather it keeps getting itself updated and is revised every moment. Yes, this is a type of book series called WIN series. Watch, Interact by Network Learning. It is a book that you not only read, but you watch the book, interact with the videos on the chapter and keep upgrading yourself automatically through notifications. The Watch, Interact by Network Learning book series is a complete book and a complete solution. First, a comprehensive written chapter, which is not merely compiled, rather it is written with an intent to help you imagine with a flow of language, where grammar and aesthetic is specially taken care of. It is not like notes where the writing is telegraphic and a telegraphic language doesn't help your imagination. Second, every chapter is backed by a summary, a synopsis of the chapter that eases your efforts to make notes, and above all, it is a ready reference for revision. Third, video adaptation of the chapter in the most advanced explanatory form with graphics, videos and high-class explanations. A QR code given on the cover of the book guides you to video presentation of the chapters in a documentary form. Fourth, question bank associated with all the chapters that include past questions and questions that can be asked. Fifth, answer bank associated with the chapter in both written form as well as in video form. Sixth, over and above associated enrichment and links that will help you getting yourself updated from time to time. This makes the entire series unique and exceptional and is meant for students who want to qualify, only qualify and not merely appear in the exams. The books under the series comprises Physical Geography, The entire series is under the guidance of K. Siddharth Sir, a mentor of over 1600 successful civil services aspirants, author of 50 books, and earth scientist who has been advisor to several countries as a strategic thinker. Visit EnsembleIas.com and the website of K. Siddharth Sir, www.ksiddharth.com, to know more.